Hey, well, hello YouTube, here with another Blu-ray unboxing. I have these for a while. I was just waiting for the Fulic for fake Blu-ray to come in so I could do a really good unboxing. I got it, the Lenzi Baker box set, Aenigma, Demonia, and of course it came in today, Fulic for fake documentary. Really nice lenticular cover. Let's do Fulic first. See if I get my knife. Apparently, I think Severin wasn't shipping these out. The distributor was, and I never got a shipping confirmation. So people were getting theirs late. Really nice, thick case. Well, I don't mean a case, a thick case. I think it's the slip cover that made it look big. But finally got it off. That's the front. The back there. "2020 catalog." Same as the what's on the case. Really looking forward to checking this out. I think this documentary is a year old or something, but really nice lenticular slip case on it. Next up, Demonia. Never seen this one before. Heard mixed reviews. So if you've seen it, maybe you guys can comment below if you liked it. Front. I like that. I like that artwork on it. Very tight in there, so you got to be careful. Get these. Seems like another non-exploitation flick. Again, it's another Severin catalog. Same artwork. That's on the case. Next up, Aenigma. Never heard of this film either. I saw the trailer. I thought it was interesting. Love the slip cover though. Slip cover art is nice. Only 3,000 copies that come with the CD. Really like that. Again, it's tight in there. You got to be careful taking it out. Let's get this. Another catalog. That's the CD. And this is the Blu-ray, which has the same artwork. I wish they would have put something different, but it's okay. And I guess that's the card for the music. Well, next up I got the Lenzi Baker box set from Severin. Funny how it looks like the Forgotten Giallo box set from Vinegar Syndrome. It's a nice matte finish on it. Of course, the back. You guys want to take a look at that? Very thick. Looks like they're stepping up their game, Severin, when it comes to boxes. Alright, let's check out Orgasmo. This looks interesting. Very nice. CD. This is the Blu-ray. You see it has different artwork on this. They should have done that with Aenigma. So Sweet, So Perverse. Card with the music on it. I really like when they add CD music to it. I know people don't buy CDs anymore, but it's good to have. You could just rip it on from your computer and just put it on your iPod or whatever. See? They put different artwork on the disc on these, which I like. Let me know if these movies are any good. A Quiet Place to Kill. I really like the artwork on these discs. Giallo type of films. Really nice. I love these. I love the artwork. Well, that's it. If you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.